Hello, everybody. The first program that I chose to analyze here is called CoSketch. Now, it can be found at cosketch.com, which I thought was pretty simple. And the main thing about this that I liked is that it is free. The services that it provides, it is basically an online whiteboard, and it can be shared in real time with your students, or you can publish each of the individual slides to other websites wherever you choose to post them. Now, basically, what it comes down to is you can write on the whiteboard and other people will see it as you go. What I did find, if you notice here, I'll take the pen and I'll just write on the whiteboard. There, if I wanted to go back to my former lesson, if I wanted to simplify the square root of 75, I would just write that. And then my students could join in and simplify that for me. The thing that I thought was neat, and the way you share this with your students, if you click up here, each whiteboard has its individual own web address. So all you have to do is share that web address with your students, and all they do is type that into the address bar, and they are automatically signed on to your website. You also have this chat option below where you can chat with your students. I tried this out with a friend of mine and it worked perfectly. The downfalls that I see with this program is you can only do one slide at a time. So once you would simplify the square root of 75, you would have to publish the sketch. Here it is right here, save sketch as an embeddable image. And then after you do that, you just have to clear the sketch, clear all, and then start a new problem. The way I saw myself using this is maybe for review. I'd like to see this as a review tool where you can either review with individual students or you can review with several students at a time and you can ask them to post their different answers. One thing I noticed here is you have this ad over here, and this one isn't too bad. Some of the ads were about losing weight and had some interesting comic pictures on them, but you can close this if you just stop seeing this ad and you click on the fact that it's irrelevant and it disappears within a couple seconds. So now it's gone. There's all kinds of tools over here that we can use. We have our arrow tool, we have our line drawing tool, circle tool, rectangle tool, and you can also add text, which I always like because I hate writing. I hate writing on the board with the mouse. It's just going to take a while to get used to. This one actually has an eraser, unlike the blackboard that we could not find the eraser. And then if you just want to clear it all, you can clear it all. You can also upload images. So if I had a worksheet or certain problems, I could upload those images and put them right here. And then the students could solve them. Uh, the way I said synchronous, when it comes to synchronous learning, that I thought the fact of the matter is that this has real-time updates. So you are seeing it as either you are drawing it or your students are drawing it. The other thing about this is that I thought was neat is, now this was a little iffy. I tried it and students can see it on their phone, but they cannot respond on their phone, which I thought was kind of a limited option because I guess on my phone I couldn't draw or I couldn't add to the text box. All I could do was see what was going on. Like I said, from an asynchronous point of view, you can post each slide as an embeddable image. When it comes to the different aspects of the sharing of this, I figured this helps build a community of learning because more the student can be on here one at a time. They can ask you questions. You can also It also deals with a lot of instructor involvement. The instructor is directly involved with the students, which, as we read, is most important to students. If anybody has any questions about this, feel free to post on the comment section. If not, I will be doing analyzing my other website shortly. Thank you.